Hello everyone. In this video, we'll address how to create the perfect corner for the cube using the fillet, split line, and surface commands in SolidWorks. First, go to the Features tab and select the fillet option. Then, select the edges you want to fillet and set the fillet radius to 15 mm. Click OK to create the fillet. You'll notice that while the fillet is created, the corner is not perfect. To rectify this, follow these steps. Go to the Sketch tab and select the front face. Draw two lines from the edge where the fillet starts, with a distance of 20 mm from the fillet. Use the 3-point arc command to connect the endpoints of the two lines, setting the arc radius to 20 mm. Exit the sketch. Repeat the same process on the side face. Select the side face and draw two lines 20 mm from where the fillet starts. Connect the endpoints with a 3-point arc, setting the radius to 20 mm. Exit the sketch. Do the same for the top face. Now, with 3 sketches created, proceed as follows. Select the split line option under curves. Select the first sketch on the front face and the corresponding faces to split. Then select OK. Now the surface is splitted. Repeat this for the sketches on the side and top faces. Select the sketch and the corresponding faces. Now all the surfaces are splitted. Next, go to the Surface tab, select the Delete Face option. Select the surfaces present in the corner and then choose the Delete and Fill option. Click OK. Now, the corner is perfectly created. Thank you for watching.